Welcome to our video on how to find blocked users on Discord using your PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever accidentally blocked someone or just want to review your blocked list, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the Discord app on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do that now. You can find the Discord icon in your taskbar or on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll find yourself on the main page. Next, at the bottom of the sidebar on the left side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Blocked. Click on that. This new update makes it super easy to locate all your blocked users without any hassle. When you click on Blocked, you will be taken to a list of all the users that you've blocked. Here you can see their usernames and profile pictures, making it simple for you to identify who you've decided to block in the past. If you want to unblock someone, just hover over their name and click the Unblock button that appears. And there you have it. You've successfully found all the users you've blocked on Discord. It's a straightforward process, but now with the new update, even easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Discord. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your friends on Discord again.